Okay, we're going to be looking at my new Power Fix from LIDL Moisture meter, and not just looking at it, but using it. Now this thing, it comes with a cover. It took me a few minutes to figure out where the pins were to pull that cover off, and to start it up. And if you want to check it to make sure it's working right, you take it and cross the B's first, and then it tells you the whole system's working. So I can see if I can do it with one hand. So yeah, the scale goes off the scale, and then you put it on the T, and it should with 19 or 20 within 1% of 19. So that's tested up fine. Now we go in here where I got the problem with this wall. They've had a leak. We thought it was dry. So now you take this tester, stick it in there. It almost reads automatically. Okay, that's 0.8. 7.8. Okay, so I've marked that, written that down, 0.8 on there, 0.8 there, a little bit higher up there, 0.81. Then you come over to here, and it's 2.0, which is off the scale. If you dig it in there, it goes right off. So, you know, that's 1.6. Now, that's what's good about this. You can get pretty damn close with the measurements. See, now I had this other one. There's two measurements. There's one is for wood and stuff on the left, or it's the same scale, but just different breakup. Where is it? Here's this one. See, now this guy here, this is what I had before. If you press it on your hand, that's on your arm. If you come in here, if you press it on the wall, nothing happens. It doesn't do anything. Same thing with the other one, probably, but you got to dig in. Okay, so it actually works if you dig it in there. So anyway, okay, now there are a couple other little things I have. Everybody should have one of these multi-testers, so you can do voltages and everything like that. Then this guy here, that saves a lot of hassle with testing plugs. I just put that in a socket, and it's a fault finder. It's got like 27,000 different things on there that you can check on. And then the other easy peasy little guy is a battery tester. I can do it with the other hand. Just put the battery in there. It tells you if it's good or bad. Handy. You could use the multimeter, but it's just easier to stick it in there. And then my last one was my stud finder and metal detector, which, you know, most of the time I'll use this before I drill holes to see if there's any metal there. It doesn't hurt. Saves me a little bit of aggro if there's something there. So, quite happy with this moisture meter though. 10 quid at LIDL. Go down and get yourself one.